Hey there, Python trainer Reuven Lerner here. And today I want to talk to you not about Python, not about pandas. I want to talk to you about your career. If you're like most people, you're always looking for how you can improve your career, how you can make more money, how you can do things that are more interesting and meaningful, maybe have better colleagues, nothing wrong with your current colleagues, but maybe find some smarter, better, more interesting ones. Maybe just have more options for what you want to do with your career. Well, one great way to improve your career prospects is to learn Python, Pandas, and data analytics. So many companies, every company nowadays understands that the way for them to become more profitable, the way for them to save money, the way for them to do more with fewer resources is to analyze the data that they have. And the way they do that is with data analytics. Starting November 30th, I'm going to be starting my second cohort of PythonDAB, the Python Data Analytics Bootcamp. This is a 4-month online bootcamp. It should take you between 10 and 15 hours a week. And during the bootcamp, you will learn Python, Git, NumPy, and Pandas. You will collaborate with other people in the cohort to solve problems. You'll have lots of office hours with me to answer your questions. And you will work on real world data sets to gain real experience that you can then take to a company as a portfolio to get an entry-level job. The first cohort of PythonDAB, as I call it, was a smashing success. And I'm looking forward to having another successful cohort starting November 30th. If this is of interest to you, come and join my webinar. As of this recording, my next webinar will be on November 9th, but I'm holding webinars every week or so until the launch of November 30th. Don't miss out. If you've always been interested in leveling up your career with Python, Git, and Pandas, join me. Join me in a webinar, learn more about it, learn how you can get in on PythonDAB. I think you will really have a fun time. I certainly have. You'll learn a lot, and you'll level up your career. If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar. Thanks for watching.